Hey, what's going on? It's Dominic Daniels coming to you from Self-Made Millionaire Success Group. And today I want to shoot a short video for you guys out there and let you kind of know what I'm doing right now. I've recently joined this company called Alladswork. And the reason for me joining this business is because it's a way for me to expand my portfolio on my online businesses. Like I've always said, you can't always put all your eggs in one basket. You got to diversify and have more than one opportunity. So that way, if anything goes down, then you always have something else to revert back to that's going to be bringing you in consistent money. Okay. Now, this company that I'm working with currently is a rev share business. For those of you that don't know what a rev share business is, it's basically where you buy into the company and the company gives you a portion of their profits at the end of each day. Okay. So, let me dive right into it so I can kind of give you an overview on what exactly this company has to offer. Okay, guys. Now, we're going to get into it right now. We have total members that's currently with this company. We have 48,804 people with this company. Okay. Like right now, there's members online. There's 1,005 online right now. The Alexa rating is sitting at 84,624 ranking. So what the Alexa ranking is basically how much traffic that the website is getting, where the visitors are going, and how quick they're climbing up the charts. So if you want to go to Alexa, you can go to Alexa ranking and type in all the ads work, and you can check out what the business is doing over there. For those of you that want to do your due diligence and check out what's going on with the business, okay? And like I said, anytime that you join any business online, always do your research before you join anything to make sure that's something that you want to do, and always invest money that you can afford to lose. Okay, just keep that in mind. All right, so we're going to go down here and I'm going to break it down and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing in my business. Okay, look like my computer freezing up a little bit, guys, because I'm recording. Okay, here we go. Here's where I started out at. You have the $10 ad pack, the $20 ad pack, the $40 ad pack, and the $60 ad pack. Okay. Now, for the $10 ad pack, you see right there, you get 50 website credits, you get 200 text credits, 200 banner credits, and then you get a maximum purchase, which means you can only purchase 50 of the $10 packs. Okay. So, has basically broke down as they saying it's 120% per advertising pack that you'll make per day. So basically, if I give you $10 or you give me $10, I'm going to give you 12 back because that's actually 120%, if that makes sense. So for every $10 ad pack that you buy with the platform, they're going to give you $12 back, but it's going to be over time. Okay. So of course, those of you that know, your ad packs will fall off eventually, but if you keep compounding your ad packs, the more money you potentially will make off of this business. Okay. Now, the ad packs that I started at the $20 pack. So I figured my plan was to start with the $20 pack and build that as quick as possible to because you can only get to it, you can only purchase 100 packs with this $20 pack. Okay, so once I got my $20 packs to a reasonable amount of money, then I was going to start working on the $60 ad packs once I start having some skin in the game. Okay, now what I'm going to show you is I'm going to give you an actual breakdown and show you exactly what we have to offer over here at Alladswork, so you get a better idea how the breakdown works. Okay, so we're going to go over here to the actual calculator. Okay, that's going to break down everything. Okay, now here's what I did. So it's not recommend that you do it. You can come in at whatever price you want to come in at, but I came in at $500. Okay, so that's money that I can afford to lose. So I came in with $500. I bought me 25 ad packs, okay, to get the business rolling because I want to get the most out of the business as quick as possible. Okay, guys, so I started at the 25 packs. You don't have to start at 25 packs. You can start off whatever you feel comfortable starting off with, but that's just what I did. Okay, so right here, Total in ad packs repurchasing for 180 days, period, at 100% repurchase. Okay. Now, I will be making a $1,880 off that $500 investment that I made with this company. Okay, guys. Now, look at that. That's powerful. So within 6 months, I'm going to be able to make 1,880, and I'm going to be able to take my $500 out, and now the rest is profit. So now I can compound the profit because now I pulled all of my money out of the system, and now everything else is profit. So at that point, I'm good. So now I'm just playing with profit money, and I didn't lose any initial capital when I first started. Okay. Now, here's the power in compounding. Okay. Now, if you come in at 25 ad packs with the 500, like I said, you don't have to come in that high. You can come in with $100 and get 5, or you can come in with $200. Whatever you feel the need to come in with, that'll be fine. Okay, guys. Now, if you go down here, check out this. Okay, so if you come in at the $25 level, and the reason why I say the 25 ad pack level is to get you the most skin in the game, or you can come even higher than that. 50 would be ideal, but I came in at 25. Now, right off of the bat, right after you go through the program, and forgot to mention, when you go through, you're gonna have to serve 10 ads a day in order to qualify to get your to participate in the rev share program. Okay, so every day, when you start with the 25 ad packs for the $500, you're going to be making $10. You're going to be making $10 a day. Now, look how powerful that is. Okay. You're going to be making $10 a day coming right out of the gate. So, which means every other day, you're going to be able to another ad pack. So you got $10 this day. Then the next day you're going to have $20. Okay. Then you can buy an ad pack. But on this calculator here, it's showing that you'll have $10, and then you have 20 the next day. And then on day 3, you'll have 30. And then that's when you buy an ad pack. And then you'll have your $10 left over. And then you just keep on compounding it that way. Okay, guys. Now, you keep on compounding. And we get down here to 180 days. Now, mind you, that your ad packs will fall off. They will fall off, and you'll take a little minor setback because those ad packs will fall off. But the thing about it is you'll have so much skin in the game, you'll be able to pick right back up where you left off. So I just wanted to get out there. So at 180 days right here, which says you'll have 118 packs, but you're on the system's only going to allow you to have 100 packs at any given time, but you'll have the reserve. So but the more packs you have, when those packs fall off, you'll still have those other 18 packs still on the system to take the place of the ad packs that fall off. Okay. So at this point, after 180 days and you compounded all that, you're gonna make $1,880 in 6 months. And that's powerful for a $500 investment if that's what you choose to start with. You can start with whatever you want to start with, okay, guys? But look at the power of this. If you get to 180 days, and this is what I'm doing, you don't necessarily have to do exactly what I'm doing, but this is what I'm doing, okay? Now, once I get to 180 days on my ad packs, what I'm doing is that's going to give me about $47.20 a day. Okay. Now, with that $47.20, what I'm going to be able to do is I'm going to be able to take out roughly about $100 a week. Take out $100 a week to actually keep my Econ business stocked with traffic. So $100 a week is $100 a week is not a lot of money, but look at it for the newbies out there. Okay. Now, what would you do if you had $100? You got $100 coming in a week. Okay. And you're in my Econ as well. And this is the reason why I'm showing this platform to my Econ team, is because this is going to give you an extra leverage to help you maintain your business. Because a lot of times when people get involved in business, they don't have money flowing like they want to. So they get into the business, and since they're not making money right off the gate, then they quit they quit. They just give up because they're not having money constantly coming in. So you kind of get discouraged after a while when you're doing something and you're not making any money in a business. You just give up. This is going to cut out all the guesswork, because now all you do is come in and surf your 10 ads a day, and you're going to see money in your back office every single day. So that's going to give you motivation to keep wanting to push this business and grow it as fast and as quick as possible to be able to maintain your other businesses. Okay. So once you get your 6 months you get to your 6 months, you're going to be roughly making about $100 a week that you're going to be able to pull out the platform. Not only that, you're still going to be able to compound and still be able to keep that $47.20 or $48 coming in every every single day, because you're going to still be building your ad packs as you're still being able to take money out of the platform. So just think of the power, what you can do with that extra money that you have coming in. Okay, so if you got an extra $100 coming in a week, now think about the power of that. Okay, so now you have your My Econ bill, which is $35 a month. Okay, so that first week goes through, boom, you take that $100, you pay your My Econ. So now that's out of the way. Then if you have the Income Shift Pro platform, the sales funnel, that you all know, if you're involved with that, that's $25 a month. Okay, so now you just paid for 2 programs from this business. Now that money's not coming out of your bank account. That's not coming out of your check. That's not coming out of any of your money. It's coming from here. So that 1 week is going to pay for your business alone. And it may not sound like it's a lot of money, but look at the power that you're going to be able to have with this platform. Okay, so now if you're getting $100 a week that you're going to be able to put in your pocket, now that's going to leave you with a little bit over $300 to do what with? To buy traffic. And that's where people struggle. They don't have the money to consistently keep buying traffic to get eyeballs to their website. Now, how powerful is that? Now, if you got $100 a week to buy traffic, I mean, you can go buy Facebook ads. Okay, you can go spend $50 a week on Facebook ads, go spend $50 a week on solo ads, and you can do that consistently every single week. And now that you're doing that every single week, just think about the amount of traffic that you're going to be getting to your website and to your offer. Now, once that kicks on, you're going to be getting signups left and right, because now you're having money coming in on a consistent basis to be able to help you promote your business. Now, this is the way you use these type of systems. A lot of people use them to make money, which I get 100%, but why not leverage this actual system to be able to grow your primary business? Now that you have this business on autopilot, which you don't have to spend a lot of time on, you can come in for 5 or 10 minutes a day, click your ads. At the end of the week, you can pull your money out and then use that money to fund your main business and get that business rolling. And then once you get that business rolling and you feel comfortable with that, then if you want, you can start advertising this platform to get people in here to bring you more money to this platform. Okay, so you got to be able to diversify and have other programs out there that's going to help you build your primary business. That's the reason why I'm shooting this video. This is specifically going out to all the people that are in my Econ, because guys, this is powerful right here for you to be able to generate right now money to be able to fund your business on a consistent and daily basis, because without traffic, you're not going to grow your business at all. You can't just do the free methods all the time. Free methods, they work if you know exactly what you're doing. But if you don't know what you're doing and you're new, the free methods is going to be hard and it's going to take you time. For those of you that are impatient and you want to get fast, paid traffic is the only way to do it. You have to spend your money buying paid advertisement. That is the fastest and the most lucrative way for you to build your business the fastest. Okay, guys? Now, what I'm going to do, if you want to get involved with this business today, I'm going to leave everything in the description below. Do me a favor and like this video and subscribe to my channel so that way I can give you more information Every time something comes up, I'm going to do a video on it and I'm going to show you my updates on everything else that I'm doing. Okay, guys? So this is Dominic Daniels coming to you from Self-Made Millionaire Success Group. And I will see you guys in the next video. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.